Hello people, today is 12th of July 2019 and we are just test driving this beautiful Jeep Wrangler. It's a new car, beautiful car, really exceptional car with a large, big, huge wheels, and we are just driving about. It's like being in a truck, really. This vehicle came in with DPF issues and other problems. Now the problems has been solved, and see what the owner has to say about his before and after problems experiences.
Hello everyone. First thing I'd like to say is that I need to thank Errol. He's an absolute superstar. I'm really grateful for everything that he's done to help me, particularly the way that he took me through the process and he educated me. I'm more educated now on the DPF issues that I've had with this car. Before I saw Errol, I was spending fortunes. I spent well over £1,000 trying to sort out the problem. Within a number of days, Errol took me through the process, told me what needed to happen. He was very clear, he's very concise, he's very trustworthy in that respect. He really knows his stuff, he's a master mechanic. I'm really impressed. Now I'm driving this car. Before it was very sluggish. I had warning lights constantly. I've had at least 4 months of warning lights, which would drive me insane. Now it feels like a completely different car. Thanks, Errol. You're an absolute superstar.
So, are you happy overall?
I'm more than happy. I'm absolutely delighted.
Lovely.
Honestly, thank you.
Well, I'm wishing you a lovely weekend today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week in peace.
Thank you.
Well, we are a Supreme DPF cleaning company located in Bromley, Kent. You can find us on Google or Yelcom. Our website is www.supremedpfcleaning.com and telephone number is 07533 636 194. Hoping to see you on another positive driving feedback. Thank you.